Oh, you're so beautiful. First, we apply the black eyeshadow. It's so gorgeous. It makes your eyes pop. Apply some more black eyeshadow. Smear it around. Give it a smudgy look. Smudge. Smudge that bitch. Oh, yes. The unibrow makes me horny. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Make it a V. You're so naughty. V for naughty. Oh, yes, Pedro. Let me see that goatee, man. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Glittery goatees are my fave. More smudging on the eyes. You look sexier. Instantly smothering. What is that you're writing? Pen?
Pen
Pedro? Pen? Peno. Pen? Peni? You need a rosy complexion.
No, stop it. I'm so lopsided.
I'm gonna laugh if you fall asleep in that.
Your mom will like think you did it to me. I'm Jigsaw. Hey guys. Like this.
You look like Barbie.
Wanna see my war makeup? Ah! This is my extra beard. I have 2. You like it? You would like it. You want to touch it? Oh my goodness, it grew in. Guys, like my beard? I need to shave. Oh goodness gracious. I got to shave this beard. Oh, look at my nose hair. Oh goodness. Oh goodness, look at my nose hair. Oh god. Ah. I need my war makeup. Oh, that's a bad word. That's a bad word. That's a bad word. Oh no. Oh no.
What about your cheek?
Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty. Dirty. It's dirty. It's dirty.
You should make your lips black. That'd be beautiful, Jade.
I'm going on for 3 minutes.
Oh, yes. What's your name?
Christina.
Is it Amanda? Aren't you sure it's Amanda? You're sparkly black. You're like a black Edward Cullen.
Edward Cullen. I'd laugh so hard if your brother walked in right now.
I don't have a brother.
You do.
Snake, gosh, shade that nose, Jade. Make it small. Make it small. Oh. You're gonna pull like that.
It's like feel like a big black foam around me.
I'd laugh if my makeup wipes right out.
Oh my god, I'd kill myself.
Are we done, Jade?
No, we're not. We're not fully done yet.
Are you officially Negro?
No. That's racist.
I mean, are you officially Africo-Americo?
Mm-hmm. I got to do a little gold shimmer up here.
I add some purple, girl.
I will, wait. I gotta add some more black. It's coming off. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I look fashionable. No, no more, no more. Hi guys, my name's Christina, and I like cock.